Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and we're joined today by Lady Teresa Hughes, and this is our Double Jive Clip showing you how to do a catapult. Obviously knowing how to do a catapult in singles would be useful. Link in the description below. There's a little bit of extra technique in this one, but first off, let's show you the move. It goes, and there's variations on this, so you don't have to do this strict version. You could do extra repetitions of the early section, or you could jump straight to the last section, but we'll show you. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, easy way to learn this is to actually learn one side and then the other. So the right hand lady on your right is going to do something that starts exactly like a normal catapult. We go semicircle back, we sweep the lady through, and of course we can't offer the other hand because it's dealing with the other lady. We then unsweep the lady, so we do exactly the same thing we normally do on the way in, on the way out. So we bring the lady forwards, hand goes up, wide, outwards, lady's turning right, and she's back to the front. Then you do the same thing again, sweep in, and now we do a mirror image of the end of a normal catapult. So we just walk the lady through, keep the hand low, take the hand towards your middle and then outwards to lead a spin, and we'll leave it there for now. So now we're going to think about the other hand. So we're in the left hand, and it starts effectively doing a mirror image of a catapult. So we go semicircling back, we're bringing the lady forwards, the hand's going up and outwards, so the ladies are turning right, the guys are walking forwards. We get into a lean, mirror image of the position we were in with the other lady a moment ago, and then we undo it. So we unsweep, we bring the lady forwards, take the hand high and outwards, so the lady's turning left, and we're back to where we started. Sweep in a second time, and then this hand feels much more familiar at this point because it looks like the end of a normal catapult. We walk the lady into the normal catapult spin and then catch. So now let's do both ladies together. So we go semicircles and back, we're bringing the ladies forwards, both hands are going outwards and upwards, ladies are turning, one to the left, one to the right, we send the ladies back, we go forwards into the lean, and then we unsweep the ladies, so again bring the ladies forwards, hands go upwards and outwards to reverse the lady's position. Then repeat, sweep in and lean. This time we keep the hands low, take the hands forward towards each other, back towards your tummy, flick outwards to get the spins. Ladies are coming around in opposite directions. This is the first time we've had the ladies doing opposites, and we need to bring them back into sync. So as we catch and take the hand down to the left and then down to the right. We then turn the ladies and back, return the ladies and back. And the disadvantage of having this situation in doubles is that if you've got the ladies going in opposite directions, you need to bring them back together, you're going to have to break the alternating rule. So the trick is to break the alternating rule in a way that's comfortable and feels nice. This is one of those ways. So let's talk numbers from the other side. We go semicircling back 1, sweeping 2, leaning 3, unsweeping 4 and back 5, sweeping 6, leaning 7, preparing 8, spinning 1, down to the left 2, down to the right 3, turning 4, facing 5, returning 6 and back 7. So let's do it. Whole thing. 5, 6, doubles, catapult. It's a back, sweep, lean, unsweep, look, sweep, lean, prepare, spin down to the left, the right, turn and face, return and back. And that's it. If you enjoy what we're doing, like the videos, that's brilliant because it helps promote the videos. Subscribe so you know every time a new video comes out, providing your notifications bell is turned on. We'll pop a music recommendation on the end in the little windows that pop up in the last few seconds of the video to give you something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you keep dancing.